Hey, good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claude Joseph, and in case you're new here, welcome, and feel free to subscribe to this YouTube channel. My name is Claude Joseph, and Claude Joseph is Claude and then Joseph. Joseph. So, guys, this day today is a beautiful day. It's my third day or my fourth day in this bulletproof house since I started my traveling, and I want to say thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos and leaving a sweet comment. May Almighty God bless you. My voice is kinda hoarse, huh? Let's sing a little bit. Thank you, Jah, for giving I alive. Hey, through your mercy I'll survive. Jah know his people, Jah know his people, Jah know his people. I got the pain, I got a reason. Thank you, Jah. Yeah, that song usually gives me, motivates me, gives me life, and tells me, yeah, man, Jah know his people, and for sure, God knows his people. So this day today, guys, this is my bulletproof house. This is your mad house over here in the village, and I decorated it very nice and well. So this day today, I'll be waking up from here in my bulletproof house, and we'll be heading to one of my friends or my brother's place, because since young we've been growing together, very like knowing the struggles, up and downs, and now he has a project, and I'm back in the village, and honestly told me, man, I cannot do this thing alone, so come help me up and down. And of course, like, also when I was almost away, he used to manage part of my house over here. When I was away, he was like, okay bro, run for the cement, run for this. So this is the best time also to give a hand or to put a hand, because they always say teamwork makes dream work. Because I'm back in the village, I want to help him with 1 2 3 up and down. Like today, yesterday we ordered for materials, so they are coming full force, because now things are moving up and up and up. People might be asking, who is this guy, so pay much attention, watch this video to the end. It's the blessings in the village, or when the blessings too much in the village. This happened. So yeah, this is the final thing around here, and this is the beautiful bulletproof house over here. Though I want to put on this, yeah, these are the gumboots, because it's a construction site, so you need to be what you call, like, to put on protective gears. Sometimes you might find what you call, like, let me put it over here. Sometimes you might find some nails or thorns, because even the place where we are going to put up this mansion or his dream house is actually on the trees. We cut trees so that the mansion can be there. So people will be asking, who is this guy? If you are new here, just pay much attention, watch this video till to the end, and it's day one for CJ to put it on the video. So let's head there and see. I'm just putting on this, put on my socks. It's very well to protect your legs or your hands, or just put on protective gears sometimes in construction sites. So putting on this over here. Oh my god, that way, this way, this way. Oh, they are clean. Put on this way. I'll put them from outside. I fear my wife will beat me. Why are you putting the gumboots in the house? Yeah. But not that she'll beat me, just to have, just put them out, so that I'll put them from outside. So from here, these are the food I ate yesterday night. There's tea there, and of course, this is our kitchen. We have some pawpaw. This is where we cook from. We have bananas like down there, lemon and tomatoes, la piña, or what we call, like, pineapple. Yeah. So let me just give you a quick tour of my home before we go to another home. The time here is 7. It's early. It's very early in the morning. I woke up at 6 just to prepare myself, and the time here, it's very, even the sun is out. The birds are chirping up and down. Our boy is cleaning, he's doing cleaning. And yesterday I was so happy. Like there's a day I planted here some grass, but when I was away, chicken ate them. Chicken ate everything and it became a bare land. But I'm so proud of this other grass that we planted over here. We planted over here. Over here, this is grass over here. It's very nice. It's the same grass that my brother planted down there, and I'm so proud that our trees also are doing very well. Very well. You see, like this, it's growing big, huh? Growing very big. And in the village, people are just planting maize. As you see, our neighbor over there also is putting some fertilizer from up. And this is our parents' house. You know, man, those days, if I give you a real story about our home over here, man, maybe those days back, YouTube wasn't, I wasn't into much into social media. This place, only true boy can explain. And also now we're extending. So on this end, I was so impressed when I came back and found my brother has just planted grass over here. Man, look, he has planted grass, and this grass usually grows big and it grows very well on this other end. So what is remaining, maybe I'll just do some putting on some, what you call, like when the grass grows well, I'll put on some chairs over here, so when you come and you want to wait for CJ, you sit on the grass, read your book, and I'll put a small book here, small place where books will be locked, small place. So yeah, we are sweeping, cleaning the compound early in the morning. This is one way to make the rain come, this is one way to make the rain. It's believed when you clean your compound early in the morning and you burn the dirt or the leaves, rain comes. Yes, true story. Let me know in the comment section, what is your belief? Sometimes in the village, we used to believe, when I was young, whenever I see a smoke and people have cleaned their compound, I used to know it must rain. And sometimes that usually works. It works. True story. Like the other day when we arrived in the village and we started burning, and also I went to True Boy's home and burnt the shafts. It started raining immediately. So you can see this is our home, a beautiful home over here in Kenya, Africa. This is my elder brother's house, the one who I follow, because in my home here, like, I'm the fifth born. Now I'm the fourth born because the one who I used to follow died. She was a she. So they decided to search for another she. They found Claude Joseph over here. Just kidding. Yeah, so this also is the place. Recently I just extended. This place used to be a home, like a place where they plant kitchen garden, everything. They plant plantains, cassavas, fruits. But I was like, no man, we have a small compound over there. So I extended the compound up to this point, so that this other side they can use it for farming, and this other side they can use it for, just like we see it, if we have friends they come to visit, we can just hide over here as we sit, as we eat best fresh air from this other side on the other end. So let's prepare and get ready for where we are heading to True Boy, because there are materials coming. They have just called me right now that, oh, the materials are on the way coming, so I have to go and direct them because they are new. They are very, very new on this area, because now we decided to use other people, because also their trucks are big. On the other hand, right now there's no much rain, so sand is a little bit high, and it's very rare compared to when it rains. And also the stones and the distance to True Boy's place, those people got lost. So let's head there and see how everything is. All right, let's get prepared, guys. So I got prepared, I carried my key, just got my key, got my helmet. Oh, I forgot my refractor. Let me carry my refractor. good to go. Put on my helmet. Got my things. Now we are good to go. We are good and happy. Oh, sorry, man. Okay, let's go and see. These are some protective gears. Woohoo. Let's take our machine. Let's see. Yeah, so I just set my camera. Now it's time to move, you know. It's time to go. Let's see, do this. You know? morning, bro.
Good morning, bro.
How are you?
I'm good.
Yes.
I want to pick something over here.
Okay.
So that we see how everything goes. You know?
Okay. Am I late?
No, you're a bit, but not too late because
the work started very early.
I woke at 6.
Okay.
Yeah, I was uprooting those stumps which were inside the foundation.
Okay.
Yes, that's why you can see even my gumboots dust.
Yeah, we remember was
dust,
focusing with materials.
Yes.
They are telling me they are coming up very early. But now they're on the way coming.
All right.
There is like 3 tippers on the way coming. Yeah. So guys, subscribe to Trueboy 208.
Yes, guys. This is Mr. Trueboy 208.
Yes.
The guy who is building his dream house.
Yeah.
So please subscribe to me.
Yes.
Road to 5K subscribers.
Absolutely.
And I thank you so much, my subscribers, CJ subscribers,
Yes.
for supporting him too.
Yes.
As we are, it's very early in the morning.
Yeah.
Let's him at least go so that or we can go. My bro can come with it.
Can come with it?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, so let's go now.
Let us go. And see how it
We are going, guys. You see what's happening on this side.
How is everything at home, bro?
Everything is fine.
Now it's okay.
Now she's okay. She's doing fine.
Your mom there.
I left her. She woke up to go to with the junior's wife. She's delivering today, so we are expecting a bunch of happiness from with the junior's wife. So they went to the hospital. Yeah. So with me, I came this side. Walk up, guys. You hear the machines?
Yes. Please walk.
Please walk. For those who are new, this is Trueboy's home.
Yeah.
Also, it's my home. This is home.
Yes. You sleep here, guys.
Yeah. Whenever I come and work over here and I feel like I'm not going at home, I come over here. So we arrived at this area.
Yeah.
So guys, the work is still ongoing. Safi boss wangu. Kwema. Yeah, so the work is ongoing. See, yeah, good morning, good morning now.
Good morning again.
Kombuya mra. Safi. Shwari boss wangu. Gengiz. Uko na jamaa? Okay guys, so we are working here. Now let's wait. Now you see you can dig into work because the work has already started. As you see on this other end, there are some power saw machines cutting everything there. And already we have the foundation. It's early morning, so they're working on the stones so that we can work on laying the stones in this foundation. Sorry for the noise of the power saw. We are preparing for what we call like for the timbers and everything. All right. Yeah. So guys, we are looking for these materials. Now they are here. We have to change the narratives, guys, you know. It's God's grace, man. From grass to grace. So yeah, I was working there, so I have to control these guys. They're coming. Yeah. I think this one, they're here now. Hello, Chacha. Hello. 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 Hey, Chacha. Niko hapa sasa basira kuhika bahikire nko kasi na ari kengora kya kore gituri. Those are the stones over there. We want to pour stones. Let me just direct this guy first so that he can relax a little bit on this side, so the other guy can come. So let him wait. Put him to wait first. Him to just have a halt, because there's this guy who is pouring stones here, so that the other one can stay, you know. The other day we got stranded because the cars that were bringing materials for us were rushing. But now we got a good guy who's working with us over here. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, true boy. I see you are cleaning for ballast. Yes. Yeah. 2 trucks at a go. There's another one coming slowly.
Oh, here.
Yeah.
I'm trying to clean for the ballast to come.
Yes.
So that we had a lot of stones.
Yeah.
Stones.
Yeah. K-apples.
Okay, apples.
Yeah.
So we have tried to at least to clear, so that when the ballast comes, then we find everything is okay.
Absolutely.
That's why I'm trying to clean.
Yeah. I was here, guys. Look, sorry, today we forgot the what we call like the gloves.
But we are going to wear them.
We're going to wear them now. So the only thing is, like, we were in a rush. That's why you see early morning, guys, as I told you. So let them go. Okay, let's walk and see what's happening. So there's some 2 trucks here. They want just to kiss head on head with each other. Hey, blessings, man. Yeah. This is it. No joking, guys. When it comes for this, no joking. Hello, Chacha. Kuja kabisa, kuja. Juma toka, ndio hiyo. Alafu mwage huko. Yeah, guys, so we are here now. Ballast all hardcores are already here. Now we are working on ballast, and we still have like 2 of these coming right now, man. Work, no joking. Nerahumo mpaka hayo. So we are here. True boy.
Yes, bro.
208. Which country is 208?
208 is a unique country. I'm in my own country.
You're in your own country.
Yeah, I'm in my own country.
Country 208 is here.
208. So, and my flag.
Come this side.
Wait.
And your flag is this. It's green and
my flag is Juma.
okay. Okay, guys. So let's wait and see. They are pouring the ballast now, and it's very full, eh? Very nice. Aya. The cocotos.
Yes.
We are leaving my Porsche bike over here. We want to use Juma's bike because this we are waiting, so the work is always going. They are now arranging the stones, so we wanna go use this. We are going in town to do some other stuffs, so we wanna come back. All right, let's go. Typical village life, cruising in the village. So we have country water here. This is where we fetch water from. It's a little bit far, a little bit. Kuna shida ya maji babu? You know, mostly guys here we usually do what we call, like, you have to put over here so that water can go out, and also over here that water can go out. So the valve is not working good, so let's go buy a new valve, I think.
You want that? Yeah.
We can buy a new valve so that you can fix water here.
For sure.
Because guys, it is like you have to wait. There's somebody who stays with this, and the moment he heard that this guy is working, so everybody is like, oh, I don't know. Yes.
Last time they destroyed those
Cocks, yeah.
Then but I repaired them. I gave them some. I gave my brother cash.
Yeah. You went and repaired this.
Yeah, they repaired it. So, but people are still destroying them. So,
but this is community water, right?
I don't know why people are destroying this and it's really helpful, you know.
Let me just wait and see. Okay. We came at the Shell here Total to just fuel our machine.
Yes.
So it's now full tank. Yeah. Now we are moving to the hardware, so you can see what's happening. You know?
Work.
Yeah, work. So let's work over here. We see. Over here already we are in a hardware, so we want to see what we want to pick. All right. So this is another trip, the 50th trip in the morning. So yeah, still the work is going on, as you see on this other end. So it wants just to pour. The stones are really loud. Etibosi anasemaje?
Let me point.
Anasemaje?
Let me point.
Okay. Okay guys, sometimes it's good. Alright. Okay. Bus. Yeah, so guys, we are now having another truck of ballast. Also, the following day we'll be doing what we call like pouring slab, down slab. Yeah, so we're just trying to remove this over here. Gate. Oh yeah. So that the truck can just pass, because we had a fast truck over there of ballast. So we're putting this aside. People are here, busy bees. Yeah. So let it go this way. Put this over here. Okay. Ambia kuja sasa. Kuja tu. Shakuwa. So on this other end, yeah. So they're doing some little direction.
Yes.
On this other end. True boy.
Yes, bro.
208.
Yeah, my own
Work. The country of 208.
My own country.
Yeah. So this is the material. Toka Toto. So there's this truck that is coming. So it's going to come from this side. And you know those are new trucks. So from there, okay. So it's very clean. This one, it will be used to pour slab down. Yeah. Since morning, guys, running up and down, a lot of phone calls. Oh, please bring us this, you know. But still, we are just working on it. It has been giving us a very hectic day bringing these materials, because there's a day we went a full day. The lady were pulling out the trams and they're cutting the trees, some putting on the trams. So we were really struggling, going up and down, deep in the evening, you know, brought us back home. But thank God I just have them over here. They're bringing the materials for me to see my brother's dream work come true. Yeah. So happy for you, bro, you know.
I'm so happy.
All right, man. You know, when we were growing up, actually our dreams used to be like, man, one day I have to change these narratives, man, you know. And when he was like, bro, me I want to be like you, I go, bro, just relax. Patience is just like, don't be greedy. Don't put too much stress about. If you see I have something, you want it by force. Jealous. And one thing I love about him, he listened to me. He never just even felt, oh, this guy now is traveling far away, and now he's leaving me in the village to look after his projects. He never felt that. He was like, okay, man, okay. And this is your day, man. And also, Never shall you show contempt to maybe somebody who's going up. Never throw out friends who maybe have been with you since, you know, childhood, you know.
You know, with you,
yeah.
We've been together since childhood.
Yeah.
Anyway, we were playing here. We used to have motorbikes. We used to play football here.
We used to tie tobacco here.
We studied together.
Absolutely.
And today now,
we are building together. We're building the dreams together.
We are now in one. We are in what source? We can say what source of income.
Yeah.
We are doing it together.
Yeah.
These YouTube guys.
Yeah.
He's the one who inspired me.
Yeah.
He's the one who has motivated me to till this time, you know.
Yeah.
So that's why I trust him, by the way, and we are working together.
Absolutely.
He's really helping me.
Yeah.
Like some minutes back, I was fishing. I was bringing water with my motorbike.
Absolutely.
While he was
taking stones from here.
The foundation part over there, which is good. We're here to support. Yeah. Today is me.
It's crazy that
tomorrow is him.
Look at our this one. Actually, this was for the motorbikes. And like, because like we never had time to rush in town and buy those heavy one, leather one. It's like, man, work is work. So
work.
this is what you can
holding stones.
Yeah, it cannot
really
cut. Yeah, it's very helpful. Yeah.
It helps rather than just
absolutely bare-handed. Yeah. And so still, you know, work, because I don't want to record when people are working. You see guys like the bees, man, you know.
You attract people.
Yeah.
They will be like, sometimes they will be like,
why is this guy doing
They forget even to work, just looking for the camera.
Absolutely.
Because here we are in
a deep village,
we are deep in the village. So
yeah, for sure. And sometimes we don't want also to know what they are doing. So what they are doing, yeah,
for sure.
Yeah, so guys, okay, let's do this because we are rushing also to go and do what we call like look for more cements. We are seeing like little of them that are going low, so we are going for more cements, and then we're gonna see what's happening over here. Who's happy for CJ? True Boy.
Subscribe to me, guys.
Who is happy for True Boy 208? The guy of his own country. Maybe I'm the president of his country, or I'm the prime minister of his country. 208.
No, I must be the president.
I'm the prime minister
because I'm the conqueror of my own country.
Yeah. I'm the vice. I'm the prime minister or an ambassador. I'm an ambassador now. You'll be sending me to different countries to go and represent you. Alright guys, okay, see you. Alafu hii tairi inataka kupasuka hivi, umeiona? Hivyo? There. And when the smooth ballast come, we'll pour it over here. Yeah. Very well and nice. All right, guys, we are here. Here we are, guys. There's a lot of blessings, man. Shower of blessings. All right. Oh man. This will actually make the slab, and then I think it remains. Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Is enough, right?
Yeah. This for 2 trucks, just for a start. You know.
No problem.
Yeah. Oh man, very nice. It's a heap, a very big heap. A heap of ballast, man, and it's very clean. Yeah, man.
Yes.
One thing I love about this is very clean.
Modern mountain.
Yeah, it's a modern mountain.
Yes.
Man-made mountain.
Man-made mountain.
Ah, yeah. Okay. Okay, let's go do it and see what's happening.
Come up.
Yeah. Pull me up, man. Oh! Alright guys, let's wait and see. The truck is going low. Okay. You don't want the lows. You want all the bars to be down?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, no job.
Yeah. You paid money for it, man.
Yes, you paid.
Okay, you go. Okay. Wow.
So, that's how it is.
From grass to grace, man. Alhamdulillah. We thank God. Still, we have more materials from bringing ballast and sand in the morning. We are adding more stones because stones are really going very high. They are really going up. So, and Also we are adding some cements and some pillars, pillar iron, steel iron, something like that. So we are just pouring stones for now, you know. So they're called hard codes. So you can see how everything is. Keep praying for us, man. Your prayers matters a lot. Please kindly pray for us, cross fingers for us, so that this project can be successful, you know. Keep on believing, you know. Okay. Yeah, so guys, we just have what we call like the metal bars and the other more cements. So yeah, it's just one day and we want to see what's happening on this side. All right, so we have them here. All right, very great. So yeah, we're trying to work a little bit, so we have to pull one, bro. They'll just swing you around like a shui. Yes. Hizi pango tu ndani kwa nyumba direct. Very heavy.
Just carry it, bro. Imefungwa jo.
Pull them, bro. Yeah, it's already done. So let's keep on moving. Nena dindan toka. Very take igat. Yeah, Juma.
Yes.
Put them slowly.
Don't worry.
Pull mine. Okay, so following this slowly. Walifikiria tulete 10. Wale 20 kwanza tuangalie za kuanzia, kesho tunamalizia zingine. So let's keep on moving on this side. Motari, naku 20 motari. Igure. Looking very nice. So guys, we have closed the site. Now I'm heading back home. So I want to see what's going on this other end. I want to say thank you so much. Be blessed. And we are ending this video here. And thank you so much. So let's end this video by saying thank you so much. And yeah, see you tomorrow on another episode, as we conclude by saying God bless this project, and also keep on praying for us. Now we are heading back to home and we want to see what's going on around. Babu, Mikisandu Borera, recover era. I'm telling Juma's young brother to take the cover. We bought another cover here so that tomorrow we want to see what's happening. Alright guys, see you. Bye. Subscribe to True Boy and also subscribe to YouTube channel at Claude Joseph.